went to Chitral, we went to Kailash, and I think some of my fondest memories come from there. What a beautiful piece of land, amazing people, rich culture, absolutely phenomenal. You know, I even though I was very young, I have amazing pictures of women in the Kailashi dress, and you know, it was something. I have to tell you that it was very inspirational. That in the middle of all the chaos and noise that we live, there's a piece of land that maintains their identity, that maintains their culture, that is, you know, strong and resilient enough to really carry the legacy till date. And that's something that all of you should be super proud of. That's not something that you should hide as an identity. I think I would actually recommend everybody to go there. It's a beautiful, beautiful place, and I'd myself like to visit sometime around the festivals that you have. The kind of community, the bonding that that is seen there is not something is not a privilege that now we have in our urban cities here today. So kudos to all of you who were sitting here, who really made it now to the universities. मेरे ख्याल से आप लोग जिस तरह अपने सिर्फ अपने एरिया का नहीं, आप लोग आज यहाँ पर बैठ के पाकिस्तान का नाम रोशन कर रहे हैं इन तमाम लोगों के सामने जो सिर्फ पाकिस्तान से नहीं है बल्कि मुख्तलिफ ममालिक से यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं. I think your resilience is something that is inspirational for every single woman in this country, and I would like to urge you to carry your identity and to be confident and proud of who you are, because it is the diversity of Pakistan and our women that actually give us the strength that we have today. And we have to make this diversity a strength instead of making it into a weakness overall. So I have to say hats off to all of you who were here, who told your stories, and who really made it, and to your families who've supported you to be where you are. So in the end, I would just like to say that I'll come to what my jurisdiction is, and I would like to reiterate that with technology, with artificial intelligence, with the opportunity, with the advent of the GPTs across the world, the idea of consuming knowledge has changed drastically.